How to buy and cast votes using AfriMoney. Tap on voting. Select the voting event. Tap on buy votes. Select the type, if it's a single or package as the case may be. Select the amount you want to buy. Scroll down. Tap on next. Scroll down. Select AfriMoney. Enter the AfriMoney number here without the 0 in front. Tap on Pay. Tap Yes. Tap on the dial icon here, which will take you to your phone dial screen. Tap Dial. Enter your AfriMoney wallet PIN. Tap Send. Enter 1. Tap Send. Enter 1 again to confirm. Tap Send. Your payment has been confirmed. Tap OK and go back into the app. Scroll down. Tap on I have completed the payment. Tap OK. Tap on Tickets. Tap on Cast Votes. Select the category in which you want to cast your votes. You can even search for the category. Scroll down to find your contestant, or you can search the name of your contestant. Tap here to vote for your contestant. Select the amount of votes you want to cast for your contestant. And tap Submit Vote. Tap Yes.